You know, I have long warned anybody who would listen that bad times are ahead. They need at least 6 months to a year of emergency, non perishable food per person. The peace of mind knowing that we can survive when store shelves are completely empty is indescribable. When we ordered our food supply, Four Patriots was kind enough to throw in a few extra packages. We didn't want to use them unnecessarily, but we opened up a package to rehearse preparing it off grid with nothing but our emergency resources. It's really awesome. So now we know that if we need it, we'll not only get our emergency calorie intake, but we'll eat really good doing it. Just keep your supplies a secret and out of sight in an undisclosed location where you can get to it and defend it, but no one else can. Our totes are sorted and labeled by the food. All the stew is together, all the oatmeal's in one spot, so we can easily vary our menus. The peace of mind is so worthwhile, so it's great that Four Patriots offers a payment plan to spread out that cost over time. Pray for the best? Yes. But plan for the worst? Absolutely. And Four Patriots is the right place to help get your household prepared.